One of the standout features of the new HONOR Magic 8 Pros is definitely its advanced camera system. You get a high-resolution 200 megapixel ultra-night telephoto camera with a big 1/1.4-inch sensor. It gives you 3.7 times optical zoom, which is about an 85mm focal length, and can go all the way up to 100 times digital zoom. In between, you get sharp images without much compromise. There's also a 50MP wide camera that has even larger 1/1.3-inch sensor with a fast f1.6 aperture lens. And to round things out, you get a 50MP f2.0 ultra-wide camera with a 122 degrees field of view. For videos, the HONOR Magic 8 Pro shoots up to 4K at 120fps or 240fps at Full HD resolution. With OIS, EIS and AI adaptive stabilizations working together, the HONOR Magic 8 Pros achieve an ultra-stable CIPA 5.5 rating. So, what does the concept of CIPA 5.5 actually means? Basically, you are 7 times more likely to capture sharp zoom shots even without a tripod or gimbals. I even recorded a clip while shaking the phone like crazy. Anyway, instead of talking boring specs, here are some sample photos and a video taken with the new HONOR Magic 8 Pro. Honestly, the HONOR Magic 8 Pros takes smartphone photography to the next level with its AI Mage camera system. You don't need any fancy legacy camera brandings, stick on the back, or a bulky teleconverter to get great zoom shots. Probably that's the reason HONOR Magic 8 Pro is being selected as photography equipment for Visit Malaysia 2026. So, what do you think about the HONOR Magic 8 Pro's camera? Drop your thoughts in the comment box below. A full review is coming soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.